Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the block in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, of course, celebrations are in order, and there was no doubt in my mind. From the track drop, I want to see how fast I levitate up the charts, but know it would be no longer than a matter of hours before the track was #1 trending, and as expected, the track did just that. Now this track, viewers and subscribers, is storytelling at its finest. No other dancehall artist can match the teacher right now. MVP them worried, viewers and subscribers. The artist has just silenced any conversation being had by any block, by any corner, in any building, in any house of Vybz Kartel and any other dancehall artist and any would-be altercation. Oh, look, we see the Pharaoh. I go to war with all peasant, and I like the teacher can rub them out finally with one track. But oh, look, we see the teacher rub out all artists like them there. No, Lord, them do what them a do. What them a do for dancehall music at this point in time? Nothing. You see them a trend? No. Right now them they're relevant. The peasants aren't relevant in a dancehall music at this point in time, viewers and subscribers. And as I say about storytelling at its finest, the teacher say you can't catch me up on no corner. You have to catch me on my house, like Tony Montana, even though I know we are Scarface. And him give the scenario, viewers and subscribers, how it would have play out if you circle him at his home base. Him say that have a skill for make it past the front. Him say 100,000. And the thing in the veranda for the drama, viewers and subscribers. Him say the weapon has spit 7 every second. And not normal metaphors, even historical references. Everybody go crazy when him hear the Jeffrey Dahmer line, the Nyam Boy food, but not like Jeffrey Dahmer. People excited, ecstatic over the lines added to this track, viewers and subscribers. T100 Records Turbo. Yo! As a new producer onto the dancehall scene, you have just made a big bang in a dancehall music. Navigator Entertainment, we know Money Machine are forward out soon. We know Money Machine are forward out soon and very soon. Dark Ages featuring Tamili's partner drop yet. Dancehall, we have more in store and even more in storage, viewers and subscribers. And nothing normal. Dancehall is in capable hands. What them need to do is free the artists like right now, viewers and subscribers, as an inspiration, and as I say, not only to artists but to also producers. Vybz Kartel are bring new producers to the genre, new sound for the ears of dancehall fans. For the music to not become stagnant, we need new artists and also new producers, viewers and subscribers in the game. Vybz Kartel are one of the only artists where me say we have that vision and that mindset, knowing say, yo, we have to help out other artists and young producers too as well. Some big name producers as an aspiring producer, all if you have a link to them, you can't get them for Vice Panel Rhythm for you. Them only want Vice Panel Rhythm for some big name producers. Vybz Kartel is an exception. The dancehall Pharaoh, the superstar, but yet still would authorize verses to be handed to young producers, so them can track big tracks like this. Tony Montana. There were minor hiccups with the track after the track was uploaded. And you know what I mean? But that has all been sorted out. And the track is now #1 trending right here on the platform, viewers and subscribers. Yes, proud moment. Celebrations are of course in order, viewers and subscribers. Yes, every time we see the teacher drop music, if I one thing we can look out for, not just the reaction on the streets, because we know that the teachers are leading dancehall artists, but don't talk about analytic reports. The numbers, remember, numbers don't lie. #1 trending right here means that this song is the most listened song in the Caribbean diaspora right now. Call your friend them on any other small island, right? Call them. Call them. Let me tell you, the teacher song right now, the song that we just dropped, are the hottest song on the streets right now in any Caribbean country right now. And I suspect in North American countries too. Well, North American states. In Canada. Over in England. Man, I have to ask about Europe right now. The track right now, viewers and subscribers, that it everybody are talking about. The people are in tune. Times are modern. Times are modern. Let me remind you of this. Technology is now connecting the northern to the southern, just like Vybz Kartel said. So right now, the song them drop right now and available on the platform. People anyway, as far as Norway, can I listen to the track? As far as Norway and as close as around your way, people can listen to the track as soon as the track was made available. So in this day and age, the teacher was a mega star even before the advent of technology. Well, not the advent of technology, advent of social media. Before social media get as popular as it was. You know what I mean? You don't know the thing about the BlackBerry Messenger one time, Facebook did at to a certain level. But now we have all of those things along with others. We can stay as a name for hours the different social media platforms. Even different platforms where you can get the music, stream the music, purchase the music. Things have changed. And in this day and age, Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers, with the level of influence that he had even before, it is now times 10 with the advent of technology and the level where it is at right now in a society or on a social level. From the song drop, it start trend. The teacher has been trending on Twitter for quite some time, from probably about earlier on in the month. The teacher trend on Twitter. Songs have been trending, album drop, Billboard accredited. And are not normal viewers and subscribers. This is a phenomenon and taking place right before your eyes. You're actually a part of a phenomenon taking place right now. Something that will be remembered in history. People never realize it. History is being made right before our very eyes, and we are also a part of it. But we'll just not realize it because it is being made right now. The teacher, viewers and subscribers, we have never seen any other artist do it so in a dancehall music. Yo, I'm always proud when the teacher drop music. The teacher never go on with no double, no time. I never see the teacher drop catch at no point in time. But teacher say from 05, I'm a older leader. That are his words. And as I say, we the fans say, no, my boss. Or from long before that. Or from long before that. I would just hear your first mixtape. Your first that song them. Especially the fans who never see you. They don't see that hear the sound of your voice. They must say, yeah man. The artist, yeah. Him. I do something different than the music. The way them sing a sound. For me and Marshall said this is a new millennium, a different thing I go on. People are saying, yo, a different thing are go on for true. Times are modern and you have always kept lyrical content fresh and modern, and I have to respect an artist who do that. An artist who creative, and also an artist who inspire other artists to be creative. But I have to respect an individual who do that for dancehall music. There's no doubt in my mind say freedom is a must. There's no doubt in my mind say they. I'm gonna say they because we don't know them by name. There is no doubt they know the contributions that you bring to dancehall and reggae music right now. Because dancehall and reggae music is a fusion sound at this point in time. I still say though, we need to have a separate lane for dancehall music so people can acknowledge dancehall music for the creativity that dancehall artists put in a dancehall and stop compare it with reggae. Meaning say you them must say alright, the melody, the reggae this so, the live guitar played this so. Yes, what you mean? That is all phenomenal. A reggae, then a Jamaican something. A reggae, we love it. But you have acknowledged the creativity being brought to music by dancehall artists and dancehall producers. I just saw the something go. Navigate Entertainment T100 Records Turbo. Boss, I look forward to the sound I bring to dancehall music. But the whole Clarendon, we know the something go. Trending. And that's our place. Anytime we can drop music trending. Now for wonder, there should be no speculation. But what they are remind the whole Gaza nation. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding those who are new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But when I like the reason, and of course when I like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. so that you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon that as well to drop a like on the vlog viewers and subscribers. You know how to something go the share icon that as well, so you can tell a friend, for tell them sister and them brother them, for check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines of the comment section. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning from the comment section, viewers and subscribers. And nothing normal, fam. Number one trending in a matter of hours. A matter of hours. Are we alone do it? Are we alone do it? Up move settings, fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love and prosper until we reason again.